Hi friends, today I came up with a completely new thing that's about Swift Vapor. So what is Swift Vapor? Swift Vapor is something like so far we were coding everything for only front end and in app side, but if you want to make something in server side using Swift, you may use Vapor. So here we can see the documentation. It says, welcome to the Vapor documentation. So Vapor is a web framework for Swift, allowing you to write backends, web applications, APIs, and HTTP servers in Swift. So basically, Vapor is written in Swift, and so using Swift, you can create both front end and back end, and you don't need to use PHP or Laravel or Node.js or any other frameworks to create your server side. So let's get started. So let's follow the documentation so that you can understand how does it work. So let's see. Mm, okay, so let's start the installation, and I'm installing it macOS. So install Xcode. So I have the Xcode installed already. Now let's see Swift version, Swift version. All right, Swift version. Okay, so version is 6 now. Let's install toolbox. Okay, so let's install Vapor using Brew. So what is Brew? If you didn't install yet, you can install it and search for Brew. So from here you can search Brew, right? And I will add the links in video descriptions so that you can understand. And let's install Vapor. So let's do it right now. Paste, install Vapor. All right, so it's going to take a bit to install the Vapor. Okay, so Vapor is installed, and now let's check Vapor help. Paste Vapor help. All right, so Vapor toolbox and these things are showing here. So let's see. Makefile. So we need to create a makefile. If you want, you can also build the toolbox from source. View the toolbox releases on GitHub to find the latest version. So let's install it here. Okay, git clone. Okay, so let's paste it. Toolbox.git cloning into toolbox. Okay, it's going to take a bit, and done. Okay, now let's go to toolbox, cd toolbox, paste. Okay, toolbox, and git checkout, make install. Okay, so git checkout, git checkout, and where you can get the version. Releases. So let's 19.1.1. Make sure we are doing correctly. 19.1.1. Okay, so Now let's make install paste make install. Okay, so it's installing that, and let's see, it's going to take a bit. Let's see, and then after completing this, we can make like this, and we can test a vapor help. Okay, scanner.c and content type.switch. So password, so it's asking my system password. Okay, now let's check this out and see what happens. Paste help. Okay, yes, vapor toolbox and vapor. So let's see vapor version as well. Vapor is not written in documentation, but I am just checking it out. How does it work? Version. So yes, toolbox 19.2.0, right? Now next, let's see. Okay, vapor new hello, and okay, so let's copy and see what happens. Paste cloning template. Okay, okay, project hello. So what yeah, would you like to use current form? Yes or no? No. Would you like to use left? No. Generating project files, creating git repository, adding first commit. Okay, so cd hello, cd hello. Okay, let's see hello, and then mm, this code. Okay, so uh, code dot code dot, sorry, comment was not found. So let's check one thing is desktop, then projects and Xcode. Sorry, not here. Desktop, and it should have a folder called toolbox that we created. Uh, Now let's see. Mm, cd. So open package dot swift. So let's see ls. Okay, so here we have the files docker compose yml package.swift readme.md test and other things, right? Okay, so we're going to discuss in part 2. Thank you very much for watching.